stop using weak wood glue. These 5 picks blew us away. Tired of projects falling apart overnight? You're probably using the wrong glue. We tested the strongest wood glues on the market, and the results were shocking. One brand even ripped the wood before the bond gave out. Want to know which glue actually holds? Watch now before you make another costly mistake. Links to all the game-changing glues are in the description below. Don't miss them. Not all wood glues hold up under pressure, but Gorilla Wood Glue stands out for strength and reliability. This PVA-based adhesive dries to a natural tan, blending well with hardwoods, softwoods, and composites. It's water-resistant to ANSI or HPVA Type 2 standards, making it a solid pick for indoor or outdoor use. With a clamp time of just 20 to 30 minutes and full cure in 24 hours, it keeps your workflow moving. Unlike expanding glues, it doesn't foam, so the bond line stays clean, sandable, and paintable. Cleanup is simple too. Warm water before it dries. Whether you're fixing a chair leg, building shelves, or crafting from scratch, Gorilla Wood Glue brings serious hold without the mess. At about $15 for 36 ounces, it's a reliable, budget-friendly staple every woodworker should have on the bench. When you need a glue that goes beyond wood, Franklin International 2302 TITEBOND Poly Glue is a solid bet. This powerhouse adhesive grips not just wood, but metal, ceramic, plastic, and stone, ideal for demanding repairs and builds. It delivers the strength of epoxy without the hassle of mixing, saving time and effort. With 30 minutes of open time and a 45 minutes clamp time, you've got room to adjust before it sets rock hard. What really sets it apart is its waterproofing. Meeting both ANSI Type 1 and 2 standards, it's fully waterproof and dependable indoors or out, perfect for everything from patio furniture to interior joints. While the 4-ounce bottle is currently out of stock, the 8 ounces option is still available and worth grabbing if you want a tough, no-nonsense adhesive that holds tight under pressure. For versatility and performance, this glue delivers. WELD ClearWELD 5-minute epoxy is your go-to for fast, strong bonds across a wide range of materials: metal, wood, plastic, tile, ceramic, fiberglass, and more. It delivers a hefty 3,900 psi of tensile strength, setting in just 5 minutes and curing fully in an hour. The dual syringe design ensures an even 1-to-1 mix every time, while the resealable cap keeps it fresh between uses. ClearWELD lives up to its name by drying transparent, so your repairs stay neat and professional. Whether you're tackling quick fixes or precise projects, it gets the job done fast. A 2-pack of 25 milliliter syringes costs around $15, a solid deal for serious bonding power. STARBOND Premium Instant CA Super Glue is a powerhouse for fine, detailed work. With its ultra-thin 2 to 3 centipoise viscosity, it seeps into the smallest cracks and tight grain, making it perfect for stabilizing wood, fixing delicate items, or laying down a glass-smooth finish. It sets on its own in seconds or instantly when paired with an accelerator, so there's no waiting around. Whether you're working with wood, metal, glass, ceramics, rubber, or leather, this glue delivers a fast, reliable bond. The kit includes precision micro-tips for clean application and a clog-free cap to reduce waste. Keep it below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and STARBOND backs it with a 30-month shelf life. At roughly $14 for a 2 ounces bottle, it's a great value for serious DIYers, crafters, and pros alike. TITEBOND Genuine Hide Glue is a favorite among woodworkers and restorers for its reliable hold and extended assembly time. Unlike traditional hide glues, this liquid version needs no mixing or heating, just open and apply. It's a top pick for restoring antique furniture, repairing instruments, or adding old-world charm to new builds. One unique bonus: it creates a natural crackle effect when applied under finishes, perfect for vintage-style projects. The glue offers excellent sandability and strong creep resistance, holding firm even under pressure. Plus, its moisture sensitivity allows for easy part removal later, a major advantage for precise restorations. Whether you're repairing a violin or crafting something with character, this glue delivers precision and strength. At around $14.99 for 16 ounces, it's a solid investment for anyone working with fine wood or delicate joints. Simple to use, tough when cured, this glue gets it right where it counts. Thanks for sticking with us till the end. Choosing the right wood glue can really boost the success of your project. Which glue are you planning to use? Share your favorites or questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more woodworking tips and reviews. Stay tuned for more helpful videos.